Hi, it's me again. It's just a continuation of what I've been doing this morning. This is the second car for today. And before we start, just a request, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel if it is not too big to ask from you guys. Anyway, yes, this is the second car I'm doing for today. It's a service. Again, I'm not doing the usual servicing that I'm doing the same servicing as I'm doing, but I'm not going to show it to you since you've seen me doing them already. Just want to point out the obvious and the helpful tips of this service, because as this morning we have said that having a good air filter is essential to save a little bit of fuel or to gain an extra mile or two per liter or per gallon of our fuel. So again, this is one air filter we've taken out from that car. Look at that, it's completely blocked. Look at that one, really bad. And these are the new one that we're fitting. Of course, again, this is high quality parts, and these are made by this company, which is known globally. So this is one. This would well, you can see that it is restricting. It's almost blocking the air that goes in. This is turbocharged diesel engine, and it restricts the intake of the turbo, and it would result to less pressure that goes into our cylinder. And as I've told you, it is essential, it is a must that we have a complete fuel to air mixture ratio inside the chamber, so at least we can have the optimum horsepower or the optimum combustion that is required of the vehicle. So you would gain more horsepower or more complete combustion in your cylinder. The optimum combustion that is required to your engine. This is a diesel engine. It is a little bit of challenge to do this. The air filter, this French car are a little bit pain in the neck, so you have to take out from here. I have to take out the scuttle panel. Here I took out the scuttle panel, or just the housing, and so you could give way. You could have a better access to that one. Of course, I'm too lazy to take out the wiper blade, so just remove that piece, unscrew the bracket, and now you can access it. You can leave the air filter housing, half of the air filter housing over there. Leave it in there, squeeze in. So like this one will squeeze in the new air filter. It's seated, so I can just put the top cover, put the connectors back in, and up we go. So this guys is another thing that you really need to do every service or every time it is required. Go and change the air filter, because nowadays it is really saving time because of the recent hike on the fuel. Okay, so again, this is well, when you take it out, it's easy. You put it back the same way you take it out. It's only on the reverse order. You can put that one back in, slip it in, and then you got 1, 2, 3 screw it back in. Put the filter housing on the proper location because it has got grommet and slip-in built-in pin. Then this one is easier because you don't have an intake pipe from the filter to here. Okay, so this is less job, but it's all the same. You have to really take time to do them. Okay, so this one is one of the friend's car. It's a 2011 Peugeot 308 diesel with a 1.6 Peugeot engine. Okay guys, that's it for now. I hope you would continue to subscribe on our channel, watch it, and more tips will be coming your way for fuel saving, as we can look at some parts that are needed to replace to save fuel. That's what we will be putting on our video nowadays, because really that's the big issue, fuel saving. And as I've told you, an extra mile or two per liter or per gallon would give you a little bit more savings. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is your MasterTech here in the UK.